Welcome to Making a Detailed Budget, your project's financial roadmap. A detailed budget is essential for tracking expenses and ensuring project success. This presentation will guide you through creating and using a detailed budget effectively. What is a detailed budget? Imagine planning a school festival with music, decorations, and food. A detailed budget lists every cost, ensuring you have enough funds and don't run out halfway. It's your complete financial plan for any project. Why create a detailed budget? It helps you know exact costs, avoid surprises, make better decisions, and stay on track. Understanding your financial needs from start to finish is crucial for project success. Step 1. List every possible expense. Include materials, equipment rentals, food, printing costs, and even small items like tape. Being thorough prevents costly surprises later. Step 2. Estimate the cost of each item. Research prices, document estimates, and calculate quantities. This ensures accurate budgeting and helps in planning effectively. Steps 3 and 4. Add up totals and check for hidden costs. Combine estimated costs and account for taxes, delivery charges, and unexpected price increases to find the minimum amount needed. Step 5. Prioritize and adjust. Use a pyramid to categorize items as must-haves, should-haves, nice-to-haves, and can skip. This helps in making informed decisions if your budget is tight. Real-world example. Festival snack booth. Calculate costs for juice boxes, cookies, napkins, and more. If the total exceeds your budget, adjust by buying fewer items or seeking discounts. Benefits of a detailed budget include financial control, realistic planning, funding support, and cost cutting. It keeps spending in check and helps in requesting funding with specific amounts. In summary, a detailed budget is like a shopping list with prices. It tells you what you need, what you can afford, and how to avoid surprises. With this roadmap, your projects will stay on track and achieve their goals.